Hi, I am in my daughter's kitchen prepare pho, which we adapted from Vietnamese language, and also in Thai we call Kuay Tiew for New Year dinner today. For also for good luck for the Happy New Year. So come on in and see my ingredient, what I have. In here I have soup that I have water in there, just half of a pot. It's not that many people eating, only my daughter and my son-in-law and my grandchildren. And this is a beef that I'm gonna put in there for the soup, like that, like that. I'm gonna put turnip in there, since I don't have a thin cloth, to put everything in there together, so I just put them in there and I can take it out later. Carrots and onion, couple tablespoonful of sugar, 1, 2, 3, and this I cannot miss it. It's a food enhancer.
Oh,
Ajinomoto. So 1, 2, and my beef broth. You just have to, guess how much you need to put in. I just guess of myself that much. Here's the salt. That should be enough. I have to add star anise into the soup to make it taste better and smell good.
how long do you let that cook for?
Not too long, like 15 minutes. And then you cover it up and wait for it to start heating. And I can turn the heat down about that much, so it will overflow. Now come over here, and this is my other ingredient to put on pho. Is I have green onion, Chinese parsley, cilantro.
There you go.
Somebody laughing at me over there. And this is a beef that we're going to put it in. I have to cut this to small pieces. This is bean sprout. Not that many people like it, but I like it. And here's the noodle pho that been soaked in warm water until it's soft. When I finish cut the meat, then I'll come back again and let you see how did I prepare to make a soup. Okay? All the ingredient that I've been chopped, and the noodle is already soft meat. This is already cut, ready to go in a hot pot. And also I have to let you see this fresh fried garlic. My daughter like it. She doesn't like the instant one. I made it myself. I'm going to make one bowl with my noodle already cooked. So I put the cooked noodle in a bowl, just enough, and then I put the beef that I already cut like that and put it in the pot, hot soup. About that much, not too cook, yeah. Put in a bowl. This is green onion, chopped green onion, and Chinese parsley
Or
or cilantro. And this is fried garlic, about that much. And then I put the soup on. The soup smells so good. Like that. Until it covers. See? And if you like, you can put the bean sprout or any kind of vegetable that you like in there. You don't have, and also you don't need to use beef. You can use chicken, pork, snake, or just kidding. You can use a different meat. And that's it. That's the first bowl of pho over here. Happy New Year.